Using the Retekess TR604 has been a refreshing reminder of how effective a well-built analog radio can be. It strips away unnecessary complications and focuses on great sound, excellent reception, simple operation, versatile power options, true portability. If you're looking for a radio that's easy for elders to operate, dependable during power outages, or simply enjoyable for everyday listening, the TR604 is a standout choice. It's a trustworthy companion, one that performs exactly as promised, and in many ways better than expected. After spending time with it, I genuinely believe this radio makes a fantastic gift, particularly for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or for elderly family members who want something easy and dependable. It's nostalgic yet functional, simple yet surprisingly powerful.